Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys my halfway 30-day detox. So I'm on day 15 today, as you can see by my calendar check card. I'm on day 15, so I kind of wanted to give you guys just a halfway update on what I've been doing. So for anyone who's been following me on social media, you know that at the beginning of the year, January 1st, I started the Teami Blends 30-day detox. I was having some really bad stomach issues like towards the latter week and a half of the year, and I was like, you know what, I think this is just confirmation that I need to do a detox. I was already feeling like I wanted to do one for 2021 anyways. So I had done this detox before a couple years ago, and so I wanted to do it again. So I partnered with Teami Blends to do it, and I am loving the results. It literally came from the time I ordered it, it came on the 31st, so it took maybe a few days, and it was there and it was ready for me to start on the 1st. So when you get your Teami Blends pack, it comes in a box that has all of it together, and then inside the box you get your detox calendar, which has all of the days, and it tells you what days to take your skinny tea, and then the skinny and the colon tea. And you take the skinny tea every morning and you take the colon tea every other night. So basically you take it on the even days, and then it hits you like the next morning. That comes in the box, and then the two teas come in the box. So we have the skinny tea, which is a loose leaf tea, and you can use, if you have like a measuring cup, I just use like just a little one, or if you just want to kind of just eye it, it's like a pinch and a half of the skinny tea. You can see here it's a loose tea. And then you can either put it directly in your tea if you want to have like a tea, you know, you kind of have to filter through it, or you can have a filter like I do, a tea strainer. And then you have the colon tea, which you take every other night, and this one already comes in, it's like little separate baggies, and so it comes in like that. So with this, it's already in the bag, so you can drop it just directly in your tea and then take it out, or you can put it in a tea strainer as well, which I've done both. They both smell really, really good. They don't have like a bad smell, like a bad aftertaste, any of that. So let's get into why I decided to detox. So I decided to detox because, number one, like I said earlier, I was having bad stomach issues at the end of the year, and I was like, I think this is a sign that I need to do a detox. Two, I really just was wanting to do an all over cleanse, just rid my body of just toxins. Just all of, you know how like everyone's like, oh, 2021 New Year's resolutions, kind of like that. Like I just wanted to go into 2021. I took a COVID test. I was COVID free, so I was like, okay, you were COVID free for all of 2020. We're going into 2021 COVID free. You know what? Let's just start the year off with doing a detox. I really wanted something that was kind of gonna kickstart my weight loss. I'm on a journey of like losing 20 pounds and maintaining that weight, and so I knew that, you know, we carry around so much waste in our body. Like we carry around like 4 or 5 pounds of just like gut waste in our colon and in our stomach. So I knew that I needed to get rid of that. So I was like, you know what, let me do the detox. The benefits that I have seen from it, the two top benefits that I saw that I noticed immediately and I'm talking about within the first 5 to 7 days of taking this. No, honestly, probably more like 4 to 6 days. So it was around day 4 when I was like, man, I had way more energy and I had so much less bloat. Like when I tell you stomach was on flat, like I had way less bloat. You know how like sometimes by the end of the day, you know, everything you've eaten, everything, you kind of feel kind of pudgy like in your stomach area, especially like in that FUPA area. I was not having that. No, I'm not gonna say was, I am not having that. You know, or like sometimes after you eat, you feel really full after you eat. I don't feel that way anymore. I started this journey at 160. And this morning when I got on the scale, I was 154. So I have already lost 6 pounds just in the first 15 days. As far as like, again, kicking off my weight loss, getting rid of that waste. My waist was at a like almost like a 28, and now it's kind of like down to a 27, but that's not the big one. The big one is like that lower FUPA area, you know, we got that, ladies, where we got that little pudge like right above our vagina, below our belly button, like that little FUPA area. That is where the bloat is gone. Like that is like a big thing for me. That's the hardest place for me to get abs. That's the hardest part for me when I'm trying to lose or like burn fat. It's this area right here. And for anyone who knows, that's because, you know, our bodies are made to bear children. So this part right here is made to be a little bit more squishy because that's the part that extends when we have kids, right? I started, this was at a 33. And when I measured today, it was a 31. So I lost 2 inches on that lower FUPA area with just getting the bloat down. I was so excited about that because now when I wear stuff, I don't have like the little pooch, like, you know, it's looking like this on the front and then looking like this on the side profile. So I'm loving that. So on the website, like this is what what Teami Blends describes as their product, where it says, you're ready to kickstart your healthy lifestyle. We believe that maintaining a healthy gut is vital in our living your happiest, healthiest life. Feeling your best truly starts from within, which is why we created this 100% natural plant-based detoxifying cleanse. The purpose of the 30-day detox program is to naturally help cleanse, reset, and refresh your body into 2 simple steps. Drink your skinny tea every morning and drink your Teami colon tea every other night. This program is perfect for everyone's lifestyle, no matter where you are at in your current weight loss journey. Wellness journey, I'm sorry. Our blends are created with the highest quality premium loose leaf tea and lots of love to help get better results. So again, if you are at any stage, it's best if you're at the beginning because this is a great way to kickstart. But if you're at any stage in your weight loss journey like me, I started going back hard in the gym like in September, and I've like definitely noticed some changes between then and before quarantine because I had stopped going to the gyms. The main thing that I love about this too is I've lost this 6 pounds and done this cleanse without working out. So this is strictly just the Teami cleanse. This is not extra sweating. I'm not sweating out anything being in the gym because, as you can see, your girl's not curly right now. I have a blowout. My hair's straight, so I cannot work out. So with me not working out, I've already had to like eat healthy. You know how it's like, you know, you gotta work out and you gotta eat healthy, but if you're in a phase where you're not really working out, you definitely have to be on your eating. That's kind of the phase that I've been in. So it's like I already been kind of like eating kind of healthy. There have been some days, I'm not even gonna lie to you, there's been some days where I had like a burger and some fries, or I had like some sushi, you know. But for the main part, which I eat a meal prepped kind of lifestyle anyways, I tend to eat mostly just vegan meat and vegetables anyways. But again, this is with no working out. So for people who don't like to work out or don't work out as often, but you still want to kind of start a weight loss journey and really just cleanse your body, this is perfect. Because for me, someone again who does work out, who has not been working out since the beginning of the year, because I straightened my hair on the 4th and I've not worked out since. This has been giving me amazing results, and I'm excited to do the next 15 days to see where I'm at the end of the journey. I will give you guys another updated video then. In the description box below, I'm gonna have a link to my code that's Murphy20 that can help you if you want to start it. I personally think you should. I have a lot of subscribers on my channel. We're kind of doing it together. They've been keeping me updated with their progress. And yeah, so if you are not a workout person where you're doing like getting extra toxins out of your body by sweating, and you really want to just have clean gut, healthy gut, kickstarting your weight loss, this is perfect. I'm a prime example. I am down 6 pounds. I am down ½ inch on my waist. I'm down 2 inches on my little FUPA area. I feel better. I look better. My skin is so much more clear since I've been doing this detox. Just so many benefits. So again, my coupon code is going to be down in the description box, as well as the link to all of your Teami products. And they have masks, they have teas, they have wellness proteins, they have anything you can think of. All of that will be down below. And in the comment section, let me know if you're gonna start the detox, and if you're already on the detox, let me know how your progress is going. I'm letting you guys know how my progress is going. Let me know how your progress is going. Till next time, guys. Well, I guess I'll say I'll see you in 15 days, in the 30 days when it's up. Bye.